Another law that we want to look at today is the law of exponents. The law of exponents is an incredible idea that once again works in the physical universe, it works in the physiological universe, it works in the mechanical universe. And so let me explain this to you. All of you, from your mathematical point of view, are familiar with exponents and how they work. I have them drawn on the board over here. And so all of you know 3 squared, or 3 to the second power. That is, you take a number and you square it or multiply it by itself. And so 3 squared is 3 times 3. It's not 3 times 2. It's 3 times 3. We're just going to take a number. 3 times 3 is 9. Now we're going to look at this starting tomorrow with the idea of the parable of the talents. There was a man who was given 1 talent. There was a man who was given 2 talents, and there was a man who was given 5 talents. And the master gave each one according to his abilities. And he told them, I want you to do with this the best that you can. I am going on a journey. And when I come back, I will expect some return on what I gave you. So the 1 talented man, the 2 talented man, and the 5 talented man. Now, how does this operate when it looks at the law of exponents? Let's take a 3 talented man, a person that has 3 talents. And he goes out and does something with his talents, and he does a 2 exponent, let's say. And so what do you have going on here? 3 times 3 is 9. And so he's done pretty well. He's taken the 3 and he's made 3 more. And when you put it from an exponent point of view, he has 9 credits or talents or abilities or money or whatever it may be. But let's change something just a little bit. Let's change it just 1 number and take the exponent that is 2 and now make it a 3. And what do you do now? You have taken the 9 and made it into 27. Because 3 to the second power is 9. But 3 to the third power is 27. 3 times 3 is 9 times 3 is 27. And so I have taken that number, I have changed it just a little bit on the front end. I've gone from a 2 to a 3. But already, on the result, I have gone from a 9 to a 27. And if you look at it further and make the 2 not a 3, but a 4, now I go from 3 times 3 is 9, times 3 is 27, times 3 is 81. So on the front end, I've basically just gone from a 2 to a 4. But look at how much difference it has made at the result. Now I have gone all the way from 9 through 27, and now I am at 81. And so when I change a little bit on the front end, it makes a big difference on the back end. And we'll just do one more number, 3 to the 5th power, which is 3 times 3 times 3 times 3 times 3. And so you have only changed from 2 to 5. 3 numbers, 3, 4, 5. Only made 3 number change. But look at the difference on the back end. The result is now 243. This works in the physiological world. It works in physics. It works in biology. The law of exponents. And here's what you need to understand about this, folks. Whether you are a 1 talented person, a 2 talented person, a 3 talented or 5 talented, or however many talents you have, You change the front end just a little bit. You put in a little more effort into your talents. Every day that you come in, you give a little more time. Put in a little more energy, a little more effort. In other words, if I'm a 3-talented man, instead of just doing what is easy to do, which would be the exponent of 2, I'm going to do a little bit more. I'm going to study a little bit more. I'm going to spend a little more time. I'm going to give it a little more energy. I'm going to give it more attention. And every day I'm going to do a little bit more. And I might go from a 2 to a 3. I might go from a 2 to a 4. I might even, if I'm really motivated, I may go all the way up to a 5. But here's what you need to understand. If you start doing that today, and you do it every day, and you do it every week, and you do it every month, and you do it every year, over time, it will have a great impact on your life.